Hi there, I'm John with WTI, and I really want to show you a toy for big boys. Now, this is the legendary brushless RC car. This is the Sting, and it is a truck, and it is fast. Now, that is one of the things that I absolutely love about this RC car is the speed. So let's take a look at a few videos, and I'll explain a bit more. First of all, what's really cool about this is that you can change the parts. So there are upgradable parts, or if you happen to break one, then you're able to get replacement parts. You can see all the little screws and the parts that help not only turn the wheels, because it's a 4x4, but also help steer it. And it's just a really awesome way to even teach your kids or someone else how cars work, because a lot of these parts are exactly the same in real life, in real cars. Now, I love playing it outside with my dog. As you can see, this thing is fast. And my dog just absolutely loves chasing it. Now, I am fortunate enough to live close to an actual track, and I'm still practicing, I'm still trying to get good at it, but it is so much fun to use this on the track. It's fun to do donuts, and it's just fun to drive around. Like I said, these tires are so grippy, this thing just takes off. I highly recommend this legendary Sting. It is a ton of fun for basically all ages, and that's my point of view.